Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about how does deepfake technology work, and is it dangerous for society? Let's start. Deepfake technology, a portmanteau of deep learning and fake, has emerged as a powerful and controversial tool in the realm of digital media manipulation. Leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, particularly deep learning algorithms, deepfakes enable the creation of hyper-realistic, often deceptive, synthetic content. This technology has far-reaching implications for various industries and raises concerns about misinformation, privacy, and the erosion of trust in the digital age. At its core, a deepfake is a manipulated video or audio clip that uses deep learning algorithms to replace the likeness and/or voice of one person with that of another. These algorithms, often based on generative adversarial networks, GANs, analyze and mimic patterns from vast datasets of images and audio recordings. The result is a convincing portrayal of individuals saying or doing things they never did. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, play a central role in the creation of deepfakes. Consisting of a generator and a discriminator, GANs engage in a constant feedback loop. The generator creates synthetic content, and the discriminator evaluates its authenticity. This iterative process continues until the generator produces content that is indistinguishable from real media. Deepfakes rely on deep neural networks to understand and replicate intricate details such as facial expressions, gestures, and voice inflections. These algorithms enable the system to learn and recreate the nuances of a specific individual's appearance and speech patterns. Initially, deepfake technology gained popularity in the entertainment industry for its ability to seamlessly integrate actors into scenes or bring deceased stars back to life. However, the widespread accessibility of deepfake tools has raised concerns about the potential misuse of this technology. The most alarming application of deepfakes lies in their potential to manipulate political narratives and spread misinformation. Deepfake videos can be used to create false statements or actions by public figures, leading to public confusion and distrust. Deepfakes pose a significant threat to cybersecurity. Malicious actors can use this technology to impersonate individuals, leading to identity theft, financial fraud, or other cyber crimes. Moreover, deepfake audio can be employed in phishing attacks, making it difficult for individuals to discern between genuine and fake communications. Deepfakes infringe on personal privacy by allowing the creation of fabricated content that appears real. Individuals can find themselves unwittingly featured in compromising situations or saying things they never uttered. This raises questions about consent and the potential for exploitation. The widespread use of deepfakes has the potential to erode trust in the authenticity of digital media. As deepfake technology advances, distinguishing between real and manipulated content becomes increasingly challenging, casting doubt on the credibility of information circulating online. The ability to manipulate reality through deepfakes has profound implications for society. It challenges the integrity of audiovisual evidence, making it harder to trust recorded statements and events. This can impact legal proceedings, journalism, and public discourse. Researchers and tech companies are actively developing tools to detect deepfakes. These systems use advanced algorithms and AI to analyze subtle inconsistencies in facial features, blinking patterns, or audio anomalies that may indicate manipulation. Raising public awareness about the existence and potential impact of deepfakes is crucial. Educating individuals on how to critically evaluate online content and encouraging media literacy can help mitigate the spread of misinformation. Governments and regulatory bodies are exploring legislative measures to address the misuse of deepfake technology. Proposals include criminalizing the creation and distribution of malicious deepfakes and establishing consequences for those who use them to deceive or harm others. Deepfake technology represents a double-edged sword, offering exciting possibilities for creative expression in entertainment while simultaneously posing serious threats to privacy, trust, and security. As the technology continues to evolve, society must navigate a delicate balance between harnessing its potential benefits and addressing its ethical and societal implications. Through a combination of technological advancements, education, and legislative measures, we can strive to mitigate the negative impact of deepfakes and foster a digital environment built on transparency and trust. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.